Welcome and thank you for joining me today. Today is going to be a very special episode for you guys. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. And make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for future content. So a few weeks ago I got a call from a gentleman up in Yellowknife in regards to his classic boat going flat here. It's just arrived here, so I'm just getting ready to pull it in. Just gonna go deal with my daily chores and start working on this bad boy. Hey Lola! Hey! Hey! How's it going? Hey. So I just got the boat in the shop right now, just about to go through it, see exactly what kind of damage I'm dealing with here. And let's see what we're working with. Alright, here's what I found on this vintage Zodiac. We've got a rotten transom here. We've got some keel damage that's going to be getting replaced. Faulty patches, it looks like. We've got some of these ugly patches that are going to get removed and replaced with some nice ones. Got some damage with punctures and abrasions. Boat's going to get some new valves. And we're going to be getting a new zipper installed from our supplier. So right now we're just getting ready to put the boat through the works and give this boat another take on life. Alright, so here we're at with the transom. It's not too bad, but still can't save it. It's pretty rotten in this area. But not as bad as that transom I have over here. This one we did last year. Exact same transom as this. Just this one's nicer. Well, now that I got the transom pulled out of the boat, it's time to make a new one now. So I'm just in the process of getting everything all worked out. So stay tuned for part 2, where I'm going to show you guys the steps and everything in the video. And thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe for future content and press that like button.